Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can edit aesthetic videos on CapCut and also how you can enhance the video quality. So if you want to level up your aesthetic video edits and boost quality like a pro, you can just follow my steps in here. So first you can just add your videos into CapCut, videos or photo. And first you can click on I'm going to just click on a second photo in here and go to animations, and in here find the unfold animation. This one, add it into your clips, and then you can also now go to effects, video effects, and add the ripple effects in here. This one, click on it and adjust the intensity to how you like it, and don't forget to also adjust the intensity. Okay, like this. Now after you add the ripple effects, you can add another effects in here. So the next effect that you are going to add is the glow effect. So find glow 2, this one, click on it and adjust the glow and size into around 7. Click on the check icon and here adjust the durations of the effects to match the clips. And the second effects is the vignette effects. Click on it and here adjust the range or the texture to around 100. And next you can just add the text to your clips. So in here, for example, I'm going to just add favorite cars, let's say. You can change the font to how you like it and also change the style. For example, in here I'm going to go with this sequel font, and here I'm going to go to styles and change the styles in here. Let's go with this one. Click on a check icon. Don't forget to adjust the durations of the text. I'm going to just go with whole clips like this, and I'm going to put it on top. And now you can go back and go to the filters menu and first add the humble filters in here. So just search for humble as the keyword, this one, and adjust it to around 50. Okay, apply it to the whole clip. And the second filter that you are going to add is the clear to filter, this one, and adjust the intensity to 100. Now click on the check icon and adjust the filter. Export this project. Now after the video is done exporting, you can now open the Wing app on your phone, and this is where you can enhance the video quality. So what you need to do next is just click on this image quality options and open the video that you've just exported, and here choose the Ultra HD option, and after that you'll get a better quality for your videos. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.